Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to transform this photo to become this one. On the left side will be the portrait of a young man who is wearing on this red and blue hoodie. And after using the special prompt, this picture can be totally into the scene of spraying the paint in the wall, and also this man is spraying or doing the spray painting of himself too. How to create this one? It is very simple. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that I'm using here is the Google AI Studio, and here we will use the Nano Banana. However, you can also do this photo transformation into your another favorite AI or tools, and if you would like to use it via Google AI Studio, then don't forget to do the login first with your email, and this will be the home page. And after the login, you will have the access to try this Nano Banana, and after that you can click it and it will direct you into this section. And the next step is you can start to upload the picture of yourself. For example, I will put the picture from my device or gallery, and I will put the prompt into this section. Change the person in the previous photo into the spraying painting a large mural of his own portrait on a brick wall. And also the person is holding the spray can in his right hand, angled toward the wall. And also the mural is a colorful, stylized depiction of his face, and also with the abstract paint stroke. This is the abstract paint strokes. And also the person is looking at the mural with the focused expression. And also a small black cat is visible on the bottom right mural. This is the cat for the additional detail. And also the background shows the narrow alleyway with more brick walls and the street lamp. This is the street lamp. So this is the prompt that we will use, and you can also simply copy it from the description box. And after that you can continue to click run and kindly wait for the output down here. Basically this is the same prompt that I used before to create this photo transformation. However, you may also have a little bit different look, but still in the one theme, which is a man who is spraying a paint into the brick wall. And kindly wait for the process, and this will be the another result. Maybe the different result is kind of from the different angle. And after that you can also simply download it and it will be officially saved into your device. So that's all guys. I hope this video found you helpful and entertaining, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.